Oh, Joshua.
Josh!
What you doing, buddy? What did you make? Huh? Back up so we can see you. Is that your sister?
A candy cane, a tiny candy cane.
Can you say something for the camera, Joshua? Huh?
I made it one. Whoa!
Good job, Emma.
It looks like a 7, but it's not a 7. Whoa! Okay, hold your candy cane. Hold.
What do you say? Thank you. Thank you. A candy cane. The sister make you a candy cane, huh? Ooh.
Do we need this? Because look what it has on. Yeah. Here, let Mommy take a picture.
Oh, I'm taking a movie, honey. Okay. Let's see if we can get this little guy to say something to the camera. Can you say thank you? Huh?
Thank
Thank y'all.
you.